Hello there YouTube. Today in this video we're going to be unboxing the Gold Milanese Loop. And it's in 40 millimeters. And this is the price in Canadian dollars, but without tax. Let's start unboxing. So I peel it open like this. Try to dig in a little bit. Here's our little box. Apple Watch. Lift the lid open. Gives us some band info here. Yeah, kind of like that little Apple Watch Series 4 diagram. Here it is. So I pull off this little tab here. So I have to just peel this off, but I'm going to do it carefully and slowly. Carefully and slowly. Here it is. Oh yeah, I guess that's it with our unboxing part. Let's change the straps. And here it is. Attach the strap on. There you go. I'll strap it on much tighter later, but yeah. Gold Milanese Loop. Blends in well with my skin. Now some of you might be wondering, why did I get gold instead of space black? Even if my Apple Watch color is space gray. I kind of like the gold because it blends in with my skin well. And just looks nice too. Feels pretty premium. Well, it doesn't blend in with my watch color the best, but I felt the same way for the space black. Didn't blend in like perfectly. This blends in okay with my watch, but it blends in perfectly with my skin. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the 40mm Gold Milanese Loop. And it's beautiful and it feels great. I'll make another YouTube video later today of unboxing the Apple TV 4K, because we also got that at the Apple Store this morning too. Thanks for watching. Peace.